This is an old building, and the boards in the garage are just disastrous. Just right there. It is very ugly here. It's already 6 a.m. and first things first, we're going to the transfer station because from yesterday's job we have old flooring in our van, and we're gonna go dump it out right now. And we are back in the van. We just paid $61. We had approximately 840 pounds of flooring, of trash, but I am not satisfied with this pricing because the other transfer station that I go to, usually this type of amount of trash, I kid you not, it's about $30. So currently we are headed to Home Depot. We have a small job that the customer asked, actually a good buddy of mine asked us to do. He has an old fence at his Airbnb rental and it's leaning, so we're gonna go buy some posts right now. We already changed 2 of them, but he's like, hey, can you guys come back and do another one? It's a beautiful morning. We just came to our job. This is once again a buddy of mine. As you can see, we did change these 2 posts. We added some trim over here, and we are gonna be changing this post also. Oh yeah, that definitely became a little bit rotted. So we're gonna separate these right now, dig around and pour a new post, wait for the fast set concrete to dry up, and install the fence back to the post. I've dropped off all the tools, all the equipment needed for the fence repair. My worker is currently doing that, and right now I'm driving to another job. This is our long-term remodel, so we have a lot of short-term stuff, a lot of 3-4 day remodels, restorations after some water floods, water damage. And then right now we have a full remodel where we're remodeling the whole house, and we are currently driving to it, check up on it, pick up some tools, and then go ahead to our meeting that we have with another client. And we just came to the remodel. Just a quick walkthrough. The plan here is we're getting texture today. Yesterday, the drywall installers did all the sanding. You can see there's a lot of dust everywhere, but the sanding is done. We're getting texture installed today. This is roughly a 2,400 square foot house. A little bit messy here, but we're getting the tile, and the cabinets are starting on Friday. So the thing about this remodel that we're doing is we had one plan of just doing everything inside the house, and a little bit of we added all these windows. These windows were not here, and then there's a sliding door here, and there used to be a sliding door over here. There was a complete wall going all the way through. Here it was kind of like this whole place was a patio at one time. They converted it into a living space, and now we just opened it up, just blended it in very nice. There was a sliding door here, we got rid of it. Now it's a little bit more of a open concept right here. And the interesting thing here is that when we started doing this renovation, the interior of the house, we gutted, not everything, but a lot we gutted. And then the client is like, hey, I want the garage also renovated. So this is an old building, and the boards in the garage are just disastrous. And this is going to be another living space, which we just started converting. We got the frame in, we insulated the floors, and then we're gonna be redoing all the plumbing and electrical. The problem here is that the ceiling trusses, they are very bad. They are just sagging. You can probably see on the video. Yeah, just right there. It is very ugly here. So we're gonna be leveling the ceiling out before we start doing insulation and drywall. And this right here is a door. There used to be a door here. We changed that. There's gonna be a 5x5 window here. Return to check up on the work that we did that my worker has done. As you can see, somebody already came in and installed or set the bark dust. But basically, yeah. Oh, that is solid. Nicely cut. Hopefully it's aligned. But yeah, that fixed the problem. So we just came to a new job. We met up with the client and had a little walkthrough, but basically this is what we're doing. We are going to be tearing out the particle board and the subfloor and installing a new subfloor. This is 1/8 4x8 piece of TNG OSB, and this is the 1/2" particle board that we'll be installing. I got a couple 2x4s just so that we throw some backing. Getting the insulation installed right now. Finishing up tearing off some particle board over here and getting ready to install the subfloor. Subfloor is installed. Now we're installing the particle board. Screwing in the particle board and gluing it down with liquid nails, and we're almost done. Just a few more pieces left. And this is the final result. Subfloor exchanged, particle board installed, screwed on, glued on, so there's gonna be no squeaking. We're just about ready to drive out.